Electrical storm. Dawn, an unsympathetic yellow. Crack! Dry and light. The house was really struck. Crack! A tinny sound like a dropped tumbler. Tobias jumped in the window, got in bed, silent, his eyes bleached white, his fur on end. Personal and spiteful as a neighbor's child, thunder began to bang and bump the roof. One pink flash, then hail, the biggest size of artificial pearls, dead white, wax white, cold, diplomats' wives' favors from an old moon party. They lay in melting windrows on the red ground until well after sunrise. We got up to find the wiring fused, no lights, a smell of saltpeter, and the telephone dead. The cat stayed in the warm sheets. The lent trees had shed all their petals, wet, stuck, purple among the dead-eye pearls.